Are you a Kotlin developer trying to figure out how to replicate Swift's if-let plus cast functionality? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common question and showing you how to achieve that in Kotlin. I totally get it. Swift's optional binding is a powerful feature, and it can be frustrating when you want to achieve the same in Kotlin but don't know how. You're in the right place to find the solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I achieve the combination of if-let and cast in Kotlin? They provided a Swift example where they check if a user is not nil and is an instance of user. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this mean for Kotlin? In Kotlin, we have a similar concept with nullable types and smart casts. Understanding how these work will help us replicate that Swift functionality effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a handy tip that will make your Kotlin coding even smoother. To achieve the equivalent of Swift's if-let plus cast in Kotlin, the user can utilize the safe cast operator. This operator allows for a safe type conversion that returns null if the cast fails. Next, the user should check if the result of the safe cast is not null. This can be done using an if statement. If the cast is successful, the user can safely use the variable. Alternatively, the user can use the let function in Kotlin. This function allows executing a block of code only if the variable is not null, providing a clean way to handle the result. In summary, the user can achieve the desired functionality in Kotlin by combining the safe cast operator with either an if statement or the let function. This approach ensures type safety and null handling. Fun fact, Kotlin was designed to be fully interoperable with Java, but it also borrows some great features from languages like Swift. It's like a tech mashup. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution in Kotlin involves using the safe cast operator. You can write getUser as a user, followed by a let function. This ensures that user is not null and is indeed an instance of user. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the Elvis operator in Kotlin. They propose this code snippet, val user equals getUser return. This means if getUser returns null, the function will exit early, ensuring user is not null. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always remember to check for nullability before accessing properties. This will save you from unexpected crashes and make your code more robust. And there you have it. You can now replicate Swift's if-let plus cast functionality in Kotlin with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!